Hello guys, I just want to quickly show you how to block websites across all browsers. This is very useful if you have kids and they like going to places like YouTube's, Google. Google doesn't restrict search, so most of the time your kids might want to search for stuff that you don't actually. Alright, the first thing you have to do, let's just go ahead and block Google and YouTube. So you have you look for your notepad wherever it is. Let me see. Just show you my inbox. Okay. Alright, this is not what exactly I wanted to do. I'm using Windows 8, so I'll find my notepad. Alright, this is my notepad. So run as administrator, and then I have my notepad open as administrator. This is because you cannot open the file you're trying to open. So let's go ahead and open the file. You open, and the file is located on the C drive. When you get to the C drive, make sure you click Windows. You open Windows. Inside the Windows file there is a folder called System32. This is it. You open it up, and then inside it you find this folder called drivers. Open it up. Now inside drivers there is another subfolder called etc. Open it up. All right, don't be shocked if you don't see anything here, because this is saying show only text document, but we want to show all files. Voila. And then this is our host. That is the file we're looking for, so we open it up. Yeah, very harmless file and very detailed. So all you have to do is to, for any site you want to block, you just come over here, you type 127.0.0.1, call it localhosts, basically repeating what is there, and now you type the address of the website you want to block. We want to block YouTube, so we type www.youtube.com and space, because what do you call it, YouTube can also be reached without www in front, so you also type YouTube naked youtube.com apps.com. yeah, and that's about it. When you save this file and then you try to get to YouTube, so let's save and leave it open and go to our browser and try to go to YouTube. We go to www.youtube. So YouTube is right there. You can see YouTube is now blocked. Let's try another one. Which sites are really notorious? There's not one site that these kids like going to, is called Miniclip. They don't like to do their homework. So all right, before we go, let's just type Miniclip and see whether it will take us there. Miniclip.com. yes, Miniclip is fine, up and running. So let's block it. 27.0.0.1 host. And space, and we type miniclip.com. This is because the pointers pointing to that address normally point with or without www. And then we save it. Now let's go to Miniclip and see what will happen. Where are you, Miniclip? Voila, and now it's blocked. www.miniclip.com. it's also blocked. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you block sites so that your case can use some of the times and their hands to do some of their homework. Another thing I want to point out, in case you come over here and you don't see any of the files, for instance, when you come over here and then you don't you go to here, you don't see system32 folder, or when you go into the system32 folder, you don't see, for instance, this one called drivers. It happens sometimes, or most of the times, because it is not showing some hidden folders. So what you do, you go to control panel. That is if you are using the new operating system, and then you get folder options, and then on view you say show hidden folders and drivers, and then when you apply, you should see everything. So that is a very quick one there, how to block sites, especially because it is the best way to block sites. You can go through browser options and block sites, but you block for only one browser. When you do it like this, you block across all browsers. So that's a very quick one, and I hope it's helpful to anyone who's watching. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my videos. See you again another time. Bye.